The aesthetic restoration solution from 3M is designed to help you elevate the beauty of your aesthetic restorations with simplicity. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. To create gorgeous, natural-looking restorations, you'll start with the nanocomposite that's capable of delivering exceptional aesthetics. 3M's patented nanotechnology is easy to polish and offers unsurpassed polish retention. But here's what's new and enables you to achieve highly aesthetic restorations with simplicity. Leveraging 3M's unprecedented history in abrasives, we created the Sof-Lex diamond polishing system. It lets you create a diamond paste-like gloss without the messy paste and with the convenience of a rubberized system. The beige Sof-Lex pre-polishing spiral smooths and removes scratches and prepares the surface for high-gloss polishing. And the pink Sof-Lex diamond polishing spiral contains tiny diamond particles to create a smooth, high-gloss polish. It's a difference you can see. Here's where it gets even more exciting. 3M's nanotechnology not only makes Filtek Supreme Ultra Restorative beautiful, but it also makes it strong, giving you the option of using it in any place and for any class. That means you can use this simple solution to get the same gorgeous results for all of your direct restorations. The Aesthetic Restoration Solution, a simple way to create a smile.